Welcome to the City of San Diego Financial Management e-learning SAP Display Fund Center Group Training. This instructional video shows how to use SAP to look up budget versus actuals report groupings for the Fund Center budgetary accounting element, or master data. In addition, there are three other budgetary accounting elements: commitment item, fund, and funded program, that each have a distinct transaction code, or T code, to look up its groupings. Groupings, or sets as they are sometimes known, allow users to view data grouped into one or more categories. You may recall the Fund Center grouping in Budget versus Actuals reports defaults to CSD5. CSD5 is the default grouping for Fund Center, even though a CSD1 grouping also exists. The reason is CSD5 contains fewer organizational levels than CSD1 and is used in reports to return results faster. Knowing the display grouping T code allows users to easily and quickly see all the city structure or hierarchy of accounting elements instead of researching them through a budget versus actuals report. To access the Fund Center grouping display T code, navigate to the folder where the T code is located. Click the User Menu button, and within the User Menu folders, click on FI Display and Reporting, then FM Display, and then FM Sets FI CTR3 or Display Fund Center Group. If you don't see the FI Display and Reporting folder, then you have not requested this SAP security role, or your job does not require this security role. Consult your supervisor if needed. Double-click on the T code to launch it. Alternately, you may type FM Sets FI CTR3 in the command field and press Enter. Before the Display Fund Center Group initial screen appears, you may be prompted to enter the FM area. FM area must be set to CSD1. Enter a Fund Center Group value such as CSD1 and press Enter. Note that CSD5 is another Fund Center Group maintained by the Comptroller's Office and Financial Management. Click Yes when the Master Data Information prompt box appears. CSD1 is the highest level node. The next level, or node, represents the city's business centers. Each node has a number, or key, and associated text. For example, 12 is the business center number, and independent departments is the associated title. This node represents a collection of the following departments: City Attorney, Personnel, Retirement, Ethics Commission, and Office of the City Auditor. To collapse a level, click on the minus sign next to each value, and to expand a level, click on the plus sign next to each value. The next level after Business Center is Business Area. Business Area is equal to a department number. For example, 1211 is City Attorney's business area or department number. Note that when a user enters a business area in the Fund Center grouping field of the Budget versus Actuals report, the report is actually querying the business area node from CSD1. After Business Area, the next level is Division. Divisions are 6-digit numbers. Smaller departments usually have one division, compared to larger departments that require more than one division to organize their operations. After Division, the next level is Section. Sections are represented by 8-digit numbers. The last and lowest level detail is Fund Center. These 10-digit numbers represent an organizational unit used for allocating and controlling budget. It corresponds to a cost center where expenses and revenues are recorded. To export the grouping to an Excel worksheet, click on Group in the menu bar and choose Save to PC File. Select Text with Tabs and click the Continue button. In the next prompt, choose a directory to save your file and enter a desired file name. Click the Generate File to create the file. Click on the green back arrow button to exit the screen. Users can enter a business center, business area, division, or section into the Fund Center Group box if desired, since these are groupings as well. Otherwise, click the green back arrow button once more to return to the SAP Easy Access screen. If you have any questions, please reference the work instructions posted on the Financial Management Department's intranet site or contact your Financial Management Liaison. This concludes the instructional video on how to use SAP to look up Budget versus Actuals reports groupings for the Fund Center budgetary accounting element or master data.